Hi guys, welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. So this is your 10-minute chart right here. We broke out of the wedge, if you guys can see it. We broke out right at the end. If you guys know what happened in the minute chart, we went wild. So that was great for the last 20, 10 minutes, whatever it may be, on quadruple witching day like today is. But we called all this out a couple of months ago. If you guys don't know what we said, I'll remind you. Said it's going to be bouncing at some point. This is your wedge right here. You'll see it, the Dorito chips you guys like to eat. But we're going to break out of all of this because if you look at the daily chart for us, we're meant to bounce down. Now, I didn't see it going down to $24. I was more in the range of 32 to 28. But we're back up to 28. We want to get to 32. And then from 32 all the way to 48 with from now until November. It's a stretch that we called out. You guys can see it here. This is real time. This is the video. I'll even play it for you.
So I feel this big green zone is our new battle zone coming up after September. And I'm going to love it. I don't think they can really hold us down much longer after this all gets announced. Initially, the next year after that will be 4 great quarters of earnings. Will be profitable. And I think by November of 2023, okay, a little over a year and 5 months, somewhere in that range, a year and 4 months, we will be in the S&P 500. I think that'll be announced at that time frame. I think that we'll also take off from there. I think people will start covering, and this short battle will be over. But if the shorts never end up becoming an issue, fundamentally, this is the life and breath of your stock, and
I feel like we're going to be amazing, right? So I'm just telling you guys that if you guys are looking at this stock and thinking it's going upwards, you're absolutely correct. We called this out. I know Austin Tobit on the interview, he called it out for October. So about 2 more weeks. I called it a week earlier than that. So it doesn't matter what projections we make. Just know that the company's doing great things. Immutable's doing amazing partnerships. But more news will be coming out for GameStop fundamentally and why it's a great investment. And if you're buying it at the bottom, which you are right now, and no matter how you cut this out, I can go look at the weekly chart or the daily chart. You are at the bottom of where it's been. You're at the 200-day EMA. So if we can just stay there and buy it off of that level of support, well, then you know it bounced off of that perfectly on the weekly chart. If you look at the daily chart, we're creeping back up to where we want to be. We'll have a breakout next week. That's what I anticipate. I'm not telling you to buy options either. I'm not trying to predict any price action. I'm just telling you that's my idea. That's what's going to happen. Doesn't mean you need to go bank on it because buy shares. I already hold shares and I feel good about it. 4.57 million shares traded back and forth today. It was a great day for the market for us. I loved it. I love watching it, and I loved hanging out with you guys today. For the individuals that won the free Meta Boys and all the other stuff that was worth a lot of money, you guys are more than welcome to come hang out again. Don't worry, I took care of Mountain Dew. But for anybody who's getting this update right now, just know GameStop's headed in the right direction, and we're profitable, we're nimble, we're making all the right cuts, we're doing all the right things. Even in a quarter 3, like right now, where we're prepping for Christmas and Black Friday, Cyber Monday, we're excited about this whole transition in time. So download some games, download some wallets, figure out what you want to do with the rest of your year. But my year is right here. It's GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop, GameStop. I'm going to keep buying more millionaires, and I'll see you guys around. Peace.